Yes, children. Let us see question number 11. A sample of HI is placed in a flask at a pressure of 0.2 atmosphere. At equilibrium, the partial pressure of HI is so and so. Okay. Now, what is Kp for the equilibrium? Now, this is the equation. 2 moles of HI decomposes to give you 1 mole of H2 and 1 mole of I2. Initial pressure is 0.2 atmosphere and there is no product. Okay. Now, after some time, the system reaches an equilibrium, and at the point of equilibrium, the pressure of HI that is there is 0.04. That means 0.2 has reduced to 0.04. So how much pressure has reduced? 0.16 atmosphere has been reduced from 0.2. That is why it is 0.04. Okay. 0.2 minus 0.16 is 0.04. Okay. Now 2 moles is giving you 1 mole of this and 1 mole of this. So how much of HI has been deleted, or how much it has gone? 0.16 has gone. Okay. So 0.16 atmosphere, if you consider atmosphere, if you consider it, direct relation with moles, if you consider, then the pressure of hydrogen that will be formed will be half of that, is it not? Because 2 moles is giving you 1 mole. So if 0.16 atmosphere nikalta hai, 0.16 upon 2 of H2 will be there, and 0.16 upon 2 of I2 will be there. Just half of it will be there. That is 0.08 and 0.08. Okay. So at equilibrium, you are having this much of HI, this much of H2, this much of I2. Put it in the expression and get the answer. That's all. Now the next question, you have 1.57 moles of nitrogen, 1.92 of hydrogen, and 8.13 of ammonia. All these three are introduced into a 20-liter reaction vessel. At this temperature, the equilibrium constant Kc has been found to be 1.7 into 10 power 2. Now the question is the reaction mixture at equilibrium? If not, what is the direction of the net reaction? Whether it is moving in the forward direction or backward reaction, that is what it is asked. That means you have to find out QC. Remember, QC or Kc में क्या relation है? Whether it is greater than Kc or equal to Kc or less than Kc, accordingly you will find out whether the reaction will move in the forward direction or backward direction. Okay. Now this is your reaction and this is your expression. Expression for Kc and Qc both are same. So you are going to put the values in the expression, and the answer that you're getting is 2.38 into 10 power 3. And what is your Kc? Kc is 1.7 into 10 power 2, which is less. This is in the order of 10 power 3. This is greater. Okay. So if you want Qc to be equal to Kc, मतलब Qc को 2.38 into 10 power 3 से 1.7 into 10 power 2 पे रिड्यूस करना है. तो अगर QC कम होना है, आपका नीचे डिनोमिनेटर बढ़ना है. ये बढ़ेगा तब ये कम होगा, is it not? ये बढ़ेगा तो रिएक्शन कैसे होगी? बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में होगी. ये बढ़ना है तो ये फॉर्म होना है. फॉर्म होने के लिए रिएक्शन शुड मूव इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Okay, so that is what is given here. As QC is greater than Kc, the net reaction will be in the backward direction. Okay, so this is the question. Now let's come to the next one. Equilibrium constant expression for a gas reaction. He himself has given you the expression. You are supposed to write the equation. Okay, now you know very well that it is product of concentration of product upon reactant. So your expression will be 4NO plus 6H2O giving you 4NH3 plus 5O2. Is it not? This is the expression. It's quite simple. You are given Kc value, you have to write it, translate it in the form of equation. Now, let's see the next question. 1 mole of water and 1 mole of carbon monoxide are taken in a 10-liter vessel and heated to 725 Kelvin. At equilibrium, 40% of water by mass reacts with carbon monoxide according to the equation. Okay, this is your expression. And if 40% of water reacts with CO, Find the equilibrium constant of the reaction. What are you starting with? You are starting with 1 mole. So at equilibrium, what is present? 40% has reacted with carbon monoxide. 40% of 1 mole, is it not? 40% is what? 40 upon 100, that is 0.4. 1 mole में से 0.4 निकल गया and it is placed in 10 liter. So it is 1 minus 0.4 upon 10. Number of moles upon volume, that is your molar concentration. So that is coming out to be this much. And carbon monoxide is also 0.06. Why this is also 0.06? Because the reaction, look at the proportion of combination, 1:1. So if this is 0.06, this also will be 0.06. And you have to find out what is that of hydrogen and CO2 that is produced. Okay, so now if 40% of water has reacted, then same thing will be formed, because 1 mole of water gives you 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of CO2. तो जितना यहाँ पे number of moles है उतना ही यहाँ पे भी होगा. So if 40% of water is reacting, that means that is what is produced here. That means the same 0.4 upon 10, that will be 0.04 and 0.04, and replace the value in the expression and get the answer. That's it. Then the next one, 700 Kelvin, equilibrium constant for the reaction is given to you. If 0.5 moles per liter of HI is present at equilibrium at 700 Kelvin, what are the concentrations of hydrogen and iodine, assuming that we initially started with HI? That means your reaction will be of this kind. Initially started with HI. So HI decomposing to give you H2 plus I, and allowed it to reach equilibrium at 700 Kelvin. ये H2 plus I2 का जो Kc वैल्यू है वो 54.28 है. तो इसका, if the reaction is written in the reverse direction, that means this will be 1 upon 54.8. So Kc for this reaction will be 1 upon 54.8. And at equilibrium he has given you Hi is 0.5 and hydrogen and iodine, they are equal to each other because they are 1 mole each, is not? So how much ever this is there, this will also be the same thing. So you will have to find out the value of x. So K is equal to x into x, because how do you write? The expression is Kc is equal to H2 into I2 by Hi to the power 2. This is how you will write. So you are assuming that this is also x, this is also x, that is why it is given x into x. That is equal to 1 upon 54.8, x square आएगा आपको. From that you can find out what is the value of x. Square root कैसे निकालना है, log भी सिखाया हुआ आपको, you can do it.